Today we're going to learn how to remove a faceplate from a light switch or power outlet. First, turn off the power to the circuit so in case the screwdriver slips, you don't get an electrical shock. Now there's no power in the circuit. Once the circuit has no power in it, take your screwdriver and unscrew the two screws on the faceplate. It's quick and simple to do this. It's usually a slot-headed screw, so you need a slot-headed screwdriver. First do the top screw and then the bottom screw. Once it's loose, you can take it out with your fingers. Almost done. The idea is to allow us to paint behind the faceplate and get a nice clean looking result. Now use your fingernails and remove the faceplate. What I do is I screw the screws back into the holes from which I took them out. And the reason is so that you don't lose the screws. It's very irritating to finish a project, have the faceplate, and then have no screws to screw it back in. This technique prevents you from losing the screws. So now I can paint behind the faceplate like this, and once you've done, or you can paint behind a power outlet too, and once the paint has dried and you've done as many layers as you want, you can put the faceplate back on like this. It goes back on, and then you put the screws in like that. Start them with your fingers and then finish them off with the screwdriver. And this is very simple to do. It's quite easy. Couple turns of the screwdriver and the plate is back in place. First the top screw, and then the bottom screw. Once this is done, you can turn back on the power and you've got a nice professional looking result. The paint is in all the right places. No paint on the faceplate and paint on the wall behind, and there's a nice clean crisp line. Thanks for watching.